I wanted to share the employee tracker application that I created. We'll start the application with npm start. We're prompted with a list of options. Let's view all departments. From my seed information, my seed file, I have some departments already populated. We see that they're presented here by ID and name. The seed information also has roles. So let's select the view all roles. We're presented with the roles with their title, salary, and department. Let's choose view all employees. Employees are now shown with their first and last name, their title, their department, and if they have a manager. Let's add a department. We're asked to enter the name of the department. Let's call it administration. We can see that we're prompted that administration was added to the departments, but let's check that it actually was by viewing all departments again. Now we can see that administration is added to our departments list. Now let's add a role. Let's add this role in our administration department. So we'll call this role administrative assistant. Salary will be $50,000. And we'll add the role to that new department that we just made. We can see that administrative assistant is added to roles. Let's verify that by viewing all roles again. We see that administrative assistant is added to the bottom of the list. Let's add a new employee. Let's call this employee George. We'll say George's manager is going to be John. We'll add the title of this new employee will be our new administrative assistant. We see that George Washington was added to employees. Let's verify that by looking at our employees list. Here we have George Washington. He's an administrative assistant in the administration department, and his manager is John. So there you have it, a quick demo of the employee tracker application. Now I'll hit end session, and that completes the application. Thank you for watching.